Hello students, I hope you're fine. You might be familiar with the TVs, smartphones, radio, calculators and many other electronic devices. So all these devices are like as machines which functions as we like them to. In today's video, we are going to learn about such a machine which is compared with the human beings. That machine is called a computer. Do you know what is computer? A computer is a machine that makes our work easy. You know, there are many types of computers like desktop, laptop, smartphone, tablet. This is desktop. It is big in size and is kept on a desk. It cannot be carried here and there. You can access internet on it. Laptop. This is a laptop. It is small in size and can be kept in our lap and can be carried easily. Tablet. This is a tablet computer. It is larger than a mobile phone. It has a touch screen like our smartphones. Smartphone. A smartphone is a mobile phone on which you can make calls, send messages, and store phone numbers. It can be used for online classes as a replacement for tablet because it is easy to carry and has all the required access. Now, can you tell me what is computer? Yes, a computer is an electronic machine that makes our task easy. Name different types of computer: desktop, laptop, tablet, phone. Okay, thank you.